When people hear dark web, their minds often go straight to crime, hacking, or something out of a thriller movie. But here's the truth. Most of what you think you know about the deep and dark web is probably wrong. Let's start with the biggest myth of all. Myth number 1, the dark web is illegal. Wrong. Accessing the dark web is not illegal in most countries. What's illegal is what some people choose to do there, just like in the real world. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or harm. Myth number 2, everything on the dark web is criminal. False again. Sure, there are black markets and shady activity. We won't pretend that doesn't exist. But there are also whistleblower platforms, secure communication hubs for journalists, and forums where privacy advocates discuss ideas freely. In fact, some human rights groups operate entirely through the dark web to avoid surveillance and censorship. Myth number 3, the deep web and dark web are the same thing. Nope. The deep web is just the part of the internet that's hidden from search engines. That includes your online banking dashboard, cloud storage, or even your Netflix queue. The dark web is a specific part of the deep web, and it requires special software like Tor to access. Myth number 4, the dark web is just for tech geniuses or hackers. Not at all. With the right tools and knowledge, the kind we'll walk you through in this course, anyone can explore it safely. It's not about being a hacker, it's about being informed. Myth number 5, you'll be tracked or hacked the second you go on the dark web. Fear-based headlines love to push this idea. The reality? Yes, there are risks, but if you take the right precautions, which we'll teach, you can browse privately and securely. In fact, most security breaches come from user mistakes, not the dark web itself. These myths are powerful. They spread fear and confusion, and they stop people from understanding one of the most important areas of the internet today. Our mission in this course is to replace fear with facts and hype with hands-on understanding. Because once you see the truth, the noise fades. And what's left is knowledge, real, powerful, and practical. In the next lesson, we'll break down how the surface web, deep web, and dark web all connect and why it matters. See you there.